Okay! Hi there and welcome dito sa balcony na kung saan ine-enjoy ko yung seat ko. And while I'm thinking of another value na pwede kong i-share para sa'yo, no? So, you just went to one of my favorite place na 1 minute away from my place kung saan ako nakatira. And ngayon na alam mo na posible mo palang dalhin yung business mo into an automated system na maaaring magtrabaho sa'yo, no? Online habang naghahanap buhay ka o nagtatrabaho ka, 'di ba? Marami sa ating mga Pilipino nangangarap tayo na magkaroon ng another stream of income. Okay? Na gusto natin, sana meron akong another business working for me and at the same time, habang nagtatrabaho tayo, no, sa mga entrepreneur na part-time pa lang nilang nagagawa yung entrepreneurial activities nila, napakahalaga na yung time, no, yung effort and dedication na nilalagay mo sa business mo is continuous, no? So karamihan talaga nagfe-fail kasi habang nagtatrabaho sila, hindi na nila nagagampanan yung mga activities na dapat nilang gawin habang nagwo-work sila, habang hindi pa stable yung financial income nila. And since I told you before na possible na maging automated yung system mo. And whatever it is that you're doing on Facebook, like posting your photos of your network company, network marketing companies, or let's say, mga products na meron yung network marketing companies mo, just to give you a help, a tip, na alam mo ba, na ang Facebook ay isang napakagandang social media marketing tool na kung saan maaari talaga nating gamitin yung power of internet and technology to reach out to many people as much as we can by posting our photos and events and activities that we're doing. Pero alam mo ba, nalabag yan sa rules and regulations ni Facebook? And just to let you know, okay, dahil alam ko na lahat tayo ay nagbe-benefit sa mga services ni Facebook, mas maganda na sundin natin yung mga policies and regulations ni Facebook na talagang hindi dapat natin siya gamitin as business yung profile wall natin. Kung hindi, gamitin natin yung profile page as a business page kung saan doon tayo maaaring mag-post ng mga activities natin, kung saan doon tayo maaaring mag-post ng mga products na meron tayo. Now, come to think of it, okay? It makes you look more professional. It makes you look more like a business person if you are not bombarding your Facebook wall with all of the products na meron ka. It's just a simple tip. It's not to argue with you, pero alam ko na matutulungan kita, okay, na mas mapalaki mo pa ang network mo sa pamamagitan ng pagiging branded, okay? Sa pag-setup ng authority and image na meron ka sa Facebook profile mo. And now na after kong maipaliwanag sa'yo na maaari mo nga gamiting automated ang system mo, how does it feels like kung for example, yung business system na ginawa mong automated ang nagpe-present na sa prospect mo. Okay? Ito na rin yung nagpapakita ng lahat ng produkto na meron ka. At ito na rin ang nagpe-present ng negosyo mo sa maraming tao. How does it feels like kung meron kang isang automated system na nagpe-present ng lahat ng trainings na kailangang pagdaanan ng new member sa grupo mo step by step, na isasend mo na lang ang link sa kanila, okay, at ito na ang nagpapaliwanag ng lahat ng recorded videos na ginawa mo. How does it feels like kung meron ng isang prospect or member, new team member, nasasali sa organization mo at titignan niya na lang yung video presentation mo kung paano yung step-by-step procedure, kung paano magbayad sa automated payment system na nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. At yun na rin yung cashier na nagko-collect ng payments para sa'yo. Yan exactly kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa business ko ngayon. And I have all of the training tools and materials na makakatulong sa'yo para possible mo na rin gawing automated ang business mo online. Okay? Naranasan ko kasi na sobrang hirap talagang gawin ng uri ng negosyo na meron tayo na meron tayo, no? I'll just check it if my video is working, na meron tayo offline. Okay? Napakahirap talagang ma-reject ka ng face-to-face. And aminin natin na hindi lahat ng tao ay ready sa personal development kung saan mas malalagpasan nila yung mga bagay na yun na handa sila. Depende yan sa uri ng tao. Dahil merong mga tao na hindi talaga nila nakakayanan yon. But what if I tell you na merong isang system na talagang hindi mo alam kung sino yung nag-join sa organization mo, at hindi mo na rin alam kung sino yung mga taong nagre-reject sa'yo. This thing is something na talagang magkakatapult ng business mo. Imagine that you have done a solo video presentation and you're going to broadcast it by Facebook ads na magpapakita sa libu-libong tao na hindi pa nare-reach ng offline system na ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Number 1, maraming mga business people in real estate, online entrepreneurs, and offline network marketers ang nagpapakita ng mga negosyo nila offline, kung saan mano-mano nilang ipinapakita ang mga bagay-bagay at naniniwala sila na sa pamamagitan ng pagle-leverage at pagduduplicate ng mga sarili nila sa ibang tao ay nale-leverage nila ang sarili nila. But what if I tell you that according to Les Brown, last year it was announced that the person of the year is not actually a human being, kundi isa siyang, guess what? He's a computer. And I said he's because he actually think and work like human beings. Can you imagine how powerful computer is? Kaya nitong gawin kung ano ang kaya mong gawin. And kaya din nitong i-leverage ang kakayanan mo kung paano mo i-duplicate ang sarili mo sa pamamagitan na ng hindi na ng tao, kundi ng isang bagay. We believe in network marketing industry na kayang i-duplicate ng sarili natin ang mga taong tinitrain natin, minomonitor natin, to have the same success like we do. But what if we can do them by the means of using another human being that acts the same like us? Okay? I hope marami kang natutunan na tips sa mga sinabi ko sa'yo, at yan ay mga reason why and what lang. It's getting dark and I really hope that you've learned a lot of infos and new technologies na maaari kong i-share sa'yo. Pero pahapyaw pa lang yan. Why don't you click on the link that I have below, and I'm going to show you how I exactly do the same thing, kung saan now I am broadcasting live to my team wherever they are in the world, and at the same time I'm having a wine in my house. Okay? Alam ko na bago sa mga Pilipino entrepreneurs ang mga system na to, pero hindi mo alam, marami ng mga online marketers sa buong mundo ang gumagawa nito. And it's time for me na matulungan ka at mag-guide ka sa mga bagay na na-discover ko at nalaman ko kung saan alam ko na makakatulong ito ng higit pa sa inaakala mo, na talagang makakapag-provide ng totoong time freedom para sa'yo at para sa network of people mo. Have a great day, guys, and enjoy sunset here in Cambodia. At alam ko na mas maganda ang sunset sa Pilipinas. That's why I can't wait to come back. And I feel so blessed na nakakapag-share ako ng information sa'yo, and I will keep on sharing you more informations. I'm going to share you tools, okay? I'm going to provide you apps and the latest technology na makakatulong sa negosyo mo kung paano mo mas higit pang ipapakita ito sa marami pang mga tao kesa sa mga organization mo na patuloy lang na nagla-like sa Facebook page mo o sa wall mo ng kayo-kayo lang. I'm going to show you a system kung saan natatarget mo yung mga tao na hindi pa talaga nakakaalam ng business mo. Whatever it is, whether it is about real estate marketing, or you a network marketing guy, or are you selling some stuff on Facebook like clothes or whatever it is, napakahalaga talaga na meron kang isang blueprint o automated system that is working for you 24/7 habang natutulog ka and while you are doing your building relationship offline. So have a great day, guys, and please watch for my next video and click the link below, and I'm going to get you inside my world. Bye-bye.